Drep is creating a toolbox of products to improve the development process for decentralized applications and to give its users an accessible experience. To accomplish this, the platform is focusing on interoperability by connecting different blockchains. Developers can access this toolbox by utilizing the native token DREP token. However, it has recently been struggling to gain traction. This has not stopped optimistic price predictions. Blockchain adoption is struggling to go mainstream down to the inefficiencies of data storage, according to Drep's white paper. This problem has been fueled by closed-loop blockchains, pushing dApps into a position where they have to create multiple versions for each chain. Drep is on a mission to solve this and give developers the tools to build on different blockchains with ease. The platform describes itself as a connector as it looks to enable frictionless integration with blockchains through its software development kits and other products in its toolbox. There are three main goals of the Drep platform. It is looking to fuel the commercialization of blockchains, create an accessible user experience for consumers and improve business opportunities for dApps. With the platform based in Singapore, Xiaolong Su is the co-founder of the Drep Foundation. Before creating this software toolbox, he was the lead developer for the crypto project QTUM. Meanwhile, Momo Chang is the other co-founder and has a wealth of previous experience in the traditional finance sector. DREP is the utility token powering and financing the toolbox for blockchain developers. All of Drep's products are accessible to those holding the token. Investors can also stake the token to earn a passive income. A Drep Foundation blog post on Medium.com states that in the Drep network all gas and transaction fees are served by DREP tokens, which means DREP holders have the right to use and vote on Drep network. The token will therefore rely on the growth of its ecosystem and demand for its products. The blog post continued, with the expansion of DREP ecology, the demand of DREP tokens will increase. DREP opened at $0.003 on May 8, 2019, according to CoinGecko, and fluctuated around that level for the next 2 years. But, the project saw its largest price surge at the end of March 2021, when it reduced the maximum supply from 10 billion to 100 million DREP. This was an attempt to create more rarity, which would hopefully drive up the price. It worked and DREP hit an all-time high of $2.95 on March 30th. Following the 100-to-1 token swap, the price of DREP peaked again on April 2nd, according to the CoinGecko listing for the redenominated DREP, at $3.98. But it eventually came crashing down. It saw a small resurgence towards the end of April, after Binance resumed trading of DREP. However, it soon continued its downtrend, dropping below $1 by mid-May and stooping below 50 cents in the last week of June. Its next rally took place in November, hitting around $1.31 on November 20th, but it was unable to surpass its previous highs. This followed the DREP Foundation announcing it was venturing into the metaverse with new tools for developers. After consolidating in December, DREP managed to defy the wider bear market in January 2022. Binance Savings announced on January 6 that users could earn up to 80% annual percentage yield by staking. The token sustained above the $1 mark until about the middle of January. DREP was able to climb back over that key psychological barrier again in April, closing at $1.20 on April 9th. This followed another Binance Savings event, this time giving investors a 35% APY. But the token soon fell victim to the crypto crash the following month and stooped to an all-time low of a fraction over 30 cents on May 12. It has been starting to look more hopeful for DREP recently, after Coinbase listed the token on June 23. The token was only able to muster a 66 cents value on June 23, the day of the listing. It has since lost these gains and at the time of this video, is trading at 52 cents. But how might all this affect a DREP price prediction? Let's take a closer look. Forecasters are divided over what lies ahead for the DREP coin price prediction. Wallet Investor describes it as in bad long-term investment with DREP thought to drop to 36 cents in a year. Its DREP price prediction for 2025 expects it to fall to 4 pence by the end of that year. A slightly more optimistic DREP crypto price prediction forecast is given by Gov Capital. Its DREP price prediction for 2022 anticipates it to reach $1.36 in a year. However, it is then thought to fall to $1.09 in 5 years' time. Tech News Leader expects higher gains for the DREP cryptocurrency, with it anticipating a maximum price of $2.03 in 2025 and $2.92 in 2026. Its DREP price prediction for 2030 thinks it can keep this up and suggests a price of $12.75 is possible, with it rising to $19.07 12 months after that. A similar forecast is provided by Price Prediction, which outlines the utility token will surpass $1 in 2024 and $2 in 2026. By the beginning of the next decade, DREP is said to climb past the $10 mark, reaching an average price of $10.69 in 2030.